Attic access requires a clear headroom that keeps entry safe and convenient for anyone using the opening. The attic access headroom thumb rule of house construction recommends providing at least 30 inches by 22 inches for a scuttle hatch, with unobstructed clear headroom above the opening, so a person can pass through without ducking. For pull-down insulated stairs, follow the manufacturer instructions for pitch and clearance and ensure the ladder fully extends and locks before use. Position the opening so a stable landing exists below, and keep a 2-foot by 2-foot staging area free of doors that swing into the path. Frame the rough opening square and plumb and use blocking for the hatch or stair jamb so trim screws bite into solid material. Insulate and seal around the hatch perimeter with closed cell foam or weather stripping to maintain thermal continuity while allowing full opening operation. Check for obstructions above such as joists, ductwork, or wiring, and shift the opening location slightly if needed, rather than forcing awkward climbs. Common mistakes include making the hatch too small, which forces people to squeeze through and increases fall risk, so enlarge the opening to at least 30 inches by 22 inches and provide clear headroom above. Another is installing pull-down stairs without accounting for required pitch and clearance, which leads to binding or unsafe ascent. So follow the manufacturer instructions exactly and test extension and locking under load. A third is failing to insulate and air seal the hatch, which creates thermal loss and moisture pathways, so add continuous insulation to the hatch panel and seal the jambs to preserve the building envelope. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like attic access upgrades, and we help people find local professionals and resources for sizing and installation guidance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and real-world installation experience to help each other plan safer attic access.